In today's interconnected world, businesses must reach and resonate with a diverse audience to thrive. This means acknowledging and embracing the vast array of backgrounds, abilities, and preferences of potential customers. One crucial aspect of this effort is inclusive web design. Inclusive web design is about creating websites that are accessible to all users, including those with disabilities, different languages, or varying levels of technological proficiency. It's a design philosophy that prioritizes usability and accessibility, ensuring that no one is excluded from accessing information or services online. Accessibility, ensuring the website is navigable and usable by people with disabilities, including visual, auditory, motor, and cognitive impairments. User experience, UX, designing a smooth, intuitive, and enjoyable experience for all users, regardless of their technical skills. Cultural sensitivity, recognizing and respecting cultural differences in design preferences, language, and content presentation. Adaptability, creating websites that work well across different devices, browsers, and internet speeds. Legal and ethical responsibility. Many countries have laws and regulations requiring websites to be accessible to people with disabilities. In the United States, for instance, the Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA, mandates that public and private entities provide equal access to services, including online. Wider audience. Reach. By making websites accessible and user-friendly for all, businesses can tap into a larger audience. Enhanced user experience. Inclusive design often leads to better overall user experience for everyone, not just those with disabilities. Improved SEO performance. Search engines prioritize websites that are accessible and user-friendly. Perceivable. Ensure that all information and user interface components are presented in ways that users can perceive. Operable. Make all user interface components and navigation operable. Understandable. Make information and the operation of the user interface understandable. Conduct accessibility audits. Regularly evaluate your website for accessibility issues. Use inclusive language. Ensure that the language used on your website is clear, simple, and free of jargon. Design for keyboard navigation. Many users with disabilities rely on keyboard navigation. Provide text alternatives. For all non-text content, such as images, videos, and audio files, provide text alternatives. Optimize for different devices and connections. Ensure that your website is responsive and works well on various devices, from desktops to smartphones. Test with real users. Involve people with disabilities in your design and testing process. This company recognizes the transformative power of inclusive web design. By offering customized website training, they empower small business owners to create and maintain websites that are accessible, user-friendly, and culturally sensitive. Through their comprehensive training approach, Metaforce Associates ensures that small business owners can independently manage their websites, making necessary updates and improvements to maintain inclusivity. Inclusive web design is not just a trend, it's a necessity in today's diverse and interconnected world. By prioritizing accessibility, usability, and cultural sensitivity, businesses can reach a broader audience, improve user experience, and comply with legal requirements. MFA exemplifies the benefits of inclusive web design through their tailored training programs, empowering small business owners to create websites that welcome everyone. As businesses continue to navigate the digital landscape, embracing inclusive web design will be key to building strong, lasting connections with a diverse audience. With the right training and tools, any business can make its online presence more inclusive, accessible, and successful.